Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to discuss important price action levels that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels in next week trading sessions. So in this week we have seen a sharp decline in gold, because if we check the previous week, you can see the price rejected from the monthly pivot, and after this rejection we have seen the continuous decline on gold chart. And if we check the intraday chart, you can see right over here that in Tuesday trading session we have seen a big decline, sharp decline, and then in Wednesday trading session also the price extended the decline and price took support near to psychological level of 2000, because I think the main reason is the situation in the Middle East, and that the gold price is continue holding the price above 2000. We already seen this in previous trading weeks also. So as you know that the tension in the Red Sea between Houthi rebels and the United States military alongside military strike between Pakistan and Iran have contributed to this recovery which we have seen in Thursday and Friday trading session. Yet despite these geopolitical factors, the near-term outlook for gold remain uncertain, because that the recent economic data releases from the United States, including better than expected figures on retail sales, also industrial production and the real estate market. Also, these good data tempered expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut. If we look into the recent Fed watch, or you can say the Fed fund future, the probability of rate cut in March, if we check this column right over here, it is just below to 50% right over here. So which is a significant reduction from the earlier expectations. This shift has led to a notable rise in US 10Y, and you can see right over here it is boosting the US 10Y, and which is not good for gold bulls. And in a Friday trading session, after this recovery we have seen price retraced back. So this recovery I think now paused for medium term. So what are the levels that we have to watch? Let's discuss those levels. But before that, let's check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. So if we check the latest COT report, you can see we are watching the positions of managed money, and for this particular report you can see that this time the managed money, they are covering their long position and they are adding into the shorts now. And if we talk in terms of this report, this is not looking good for gold bulls, because in previous COT report, if we check the previous one, if we switch back from here, you can see previously they were covering the long position, means they were decreasing the long position, but they added few quantities in short, but they are now doing it for the second week also. So we already seen the impact on the chart, because price is continuously falling for this week. So impact is already on the chart. So we have to watch how they are going to behave in the next coming week also. So for this particular week, it is not looking good for bulls as per the COT report. Now let's check the levels on daily time frame. We already discussed these level in Telegram channel. So as you can see, the current price, if you check the daily candle on price action, you can see the price is rejected, because you can see this week we have seen a rejection from this level. This is the Fibonacci level. If you draw a Fibonacci for this high to this low, this is the 0.382, that is, it is around 2035. The price tried to break above this and we have seen rejection, and the daily candle also not looking good. So for a safe buy, I think we have to wait it to break above this golden zone, and the high of this golden zone is around 2056. So price break above this, because under this area you can see this is also a resistance trend line. So under this we can expect a sideways movement. So for a safe buy, we have to wait it to break above this level, and if price sustain, then we can look for buy opportunities toward the higher price level. But under this area, it is not favorable for buy or sell on intraday as per the daily time frame, because previously this trend line was acting as support, and gold price break down it on this particular day, but price returned back and current price is closed under this triangle pattern. You can see, so these are the structure and pattern that we have to take care for next trading sessions. Also, if we check the weekly candle, we check the shape and the price action on weekly time frame, you can see that this was the previous week candle, and we already seen the rejection on previous week, and this week they break down the low from the previous week, but price closed above to the previous week low. So it is still a inside formation, and it is showing some sideways type of movement as per the price action, and we already seen rejection 2 times from this level, which is a Fibonacci level, which is 2015 on this cycle for this low to this high. So price is rejecting, of course, but the candle is bearish, so it is still inside and sideways as per the weekly. So we have to wait how the price is going to react in next week as per the weekly time frame. Also, if we check the dollar chart, this is the daily time frame on dollar chart, and you can see the price is rebounding, or you can say reversing from this support, and now this area is the major level that we have to watch. If the price reject from here, then this will continue this decline phase. But if price break above this, let me show you another aspect on the basis of Fibonacci. Just a second. If we draw the Fibonacci for this particular cycle, for this high to this low, you can see this is the 50% level around 103, roughly 104. So if price reject from here, then it might continue the decline, and for a bulls scenario, they need to break above at least 104, then it might go above, or might go into the bullish phase, we can say, on daily time frame. So under this, it is still in the bearish territory as per the price action on daily time frame. For the US 10Y, this is the chart of US 10Y, and this is the weekly time frame, and it is not looking good for bulls, because the last week also closed green. So it is going to test this major resistance. So we have to watch this chart also for gold and the data, because I think now the major factor is the economic data that we have to watch very carefully, because in next week we have lot of important economic data. Let me show you. On Wednesday we have the manufacturing PMI and service PMI, and on Thursday we have GDP and GDP, core durable goods order, initial jobless claim, building permits. These are all on Thursday, so Thursday going to be interesting. And building permits, after that new home sales, and on Friday we have core PC price index right over here, and then pending home sales. These are the high impact data for next week. And of course, for next week we have the most important Fed interest rate decision. I think market going to be in sideways before that. This is on the next month, Feb 1st. So this is the main data that I think market going to wait, and we also have to watch how the price going to react. So these are the data and these are the levels that we have to watch for next week. So we are going to discuss more about these data and levels in live Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.